Alright, so make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any key details about how the school affiliate system works. First, let's head over to skool.com and log into your account. Once you're in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then go to Settings. Now under your communities, select the one you own. For me, it's Community 1. Once you're inside your community settings, scroll down to the bottom and click on Billing and Affiliates. Here, you'll see your affiliate link. Now go back to your main profile settings and click on the Affiliates tab again. Here, you'll notice it shows the same affiliate link. That's because Skool doesn't give you a separate affiliate link for each community. Instead, your profile's affiliate link is used for all the communities you own. Try to test your link. If I copy the same link from my main profile and paste it in a new tab, it says, "You are referred by Stephanie." Same if I copy the affiliate link from my community and paste it in a new tab, it says the same thing. "You are referred by Stephanie." That means whether you're sending someone to join your profile or one of your communities, it's the same referral link. So if you're promoting multiple communities, just share your main affiliate link. It will still track referrals correctly no matter which community people join. And that's how you can start earning a little affiliate income by sharing your Skool community. If this video helped you, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Skool tutorials. Thanks for watching.